We've got breaking news just coming in amidst political crisis that is going on in Rajasthan at the moment. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has dared anyone who wants to topple his government. He's gone ahead in a dig without naming the BJP or any other detractor. The Chief Minister has said that he dares anybody who wants to topple his government to do it now. Uddhav referred to his alliance with the Congress and NCP and said that while his government runs on three wheels, the steering is firmly in his control. The interview to Sena mouthpiece Samna is coming a day ahead of Chief Minister's 60th birthday tomorrow. Mustafa is joining us live for the very latest on this. Mustafa, of course, this is a statement which is coming in context of the political crisis that is taking place in Rajasthan. He's not directly attacked the BJP. He's gone ahead and given an open threat saying whosoever wants to attack my government and topple it, do it now. So somewhere it's a veiled attack coming on the Bharatiya Janata Party by Uddhav Thackeray, Mustafa.
Well, and it has also something to do with the rumors that after Rajasthan, if BJP succeeds, their next turn will be of Maharashtra, and hence Uddhav Thackeray is giving a strong reaction saying that his party, his government is running with three parties. It's an auto rickshaw for the poor people, and he's on the driving seat of this auto. And he has also said that whoever wants to topple the government can try a hand at it, and he will be also waiting and watching as to how that happens. So he's showing some confidence. He's also saying that the economic state of Maharashtra is not as good given the pandemic situation, and maybe this is the right time for the opposition to strike in. But he is also saying that he is ready for such kind of move, and at this point of time, the Maharashtra government is stable. Back to you.
All right, leave it at that. So that's the latest coming in right there from Maharashtra. Now the Rajasthan political crisis and the stalemate continues. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has now sent a new proposal to the governor to call for an assembly session from 31st of July. The proposal has stated that they want to have a special discussion on coronavirus and to introduce 6 bills. There is no mention of proving majority by holding a trust vote. Chief Minister Gehlot, while addressing his MLAs yesterday, asked them to be prepared for a long haul in their quest for assembly session. Gehlot added that if needed, he's going to even go to the President Ramnath Kovind and stage a dharna outside Prime Minister Modi's residence. The Congress had planned nationwide protests in front of different Raj Bhavans on Monday against BJP's anti-democratic actions in Rajasthan as being alleged by them. Yesterday, BJP legislators also submitted a memorandum to the Rajasthan governor accusing the Chief Minister and his government of pushing the state towards anarchy.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.